Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video we are going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft JP version 2.0 kit, which is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. We'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video and in the comments box as well. So we're in a Honda vehicle right now, which is obviously a Japanese vehicle. The JP just basically means that the kit works on Japanese vehicles. But Japanese manufacturers, should I say, so it'll work on like Honda vehicles that are in the UK and the US of A. It's just the manufacturers are from Japan. So in this vehicle we have the airbag light here and also alternating right here. So we're going to use this tool to actually diagnose the fault, find the fault code, and then erase the fault code, and then hopefully erase the warning lights on the dashboard here. Now one thing I want to say first of all is this tool, you can turn off the beeping sound. There's a beeping sound normally when you receive it from the box, but we've turned it off, which is just makes the experience a lot nicer in my opinion. So we're going to click onto Diagnostics here, and we're going to find our vehicle, which is, scroll to Honda. And it's a really simple procedure really. You just need to go to manual. This diagnosis mode, you can either choose for the kit to do a scan of the full vehicle, or you can just click on manual and diagnose the system which you actually wish to diagnose. So we're going to click manual, and we're going to go to SRS, which is supplemental inflatable restraint system. That's the airbag system. So we'll click enter, and we'll click on to read trouble code, which is the top option. And it's giving us B0028. Open or increased resistance in the right side airbag inflator. Now we found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which is why we've been able to diagnose this fault. So we've put the connection back together, but obviously we're still getting the warning lights on the dashboards here. So we really need to just click onto clear fault memory. We'll click onto enter, and it'll give us one final warning message. A fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure you wish to continue? We'll click F2, and when I click F2, just keep an eye on the warning lights on the dashboard here. Let's wait for the airbag light to come back on here. There we go. So we'll click F2, and there we go. That's gone, and that's gone back to the tire pressure. Don't worry about that message. That's something entirely different. So we click. We've got erase operation done on the screen here, and that is job done. So it's all thanks to the iCarsoft JP version 2.0 kit. As I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description and in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.